Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can customize touch sensor functions on the Sony headphones. So to do this we have to switch from the status to the system, and right now we have to choose this option, so click on the settings icon, and here we can pick it from the left or the right, just right here, and we can find on the left tap or continue pressing, and on the right we can find tap, double tap or triple tap. So when you want to adjust, for example, function of the left one, on the tap you are able to use the noise cancellation, as you can see right here, and when we click in this place we are able to switch, for example, from control the ambient sound to control the playback, for example, or volume. Let's switch the volume, and as you can see right now, when we tap once we are going to raise the volume, and when we continue pressing we are going to lower the volume. And for the right one, just right here, now we are able to switch, for example, from the playback control to the ambient sound control. And then to confirm, just click right here. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.